Today we're going to be cooking some meat lovers pizzas in the PZ016 pizza oven. PZ016 is a wood-fired pizza oven that runs off compressed sawdust pellets, completely gravity feed, no moving parts. So we start out by getting our dough stretched. This is a really simple dough recipe. It's just flour, yeast, a little bit of salt, a little bit of honey, and water. And we let it sit overnight, let it get ready to go, and we've got a really nice looking dough. Stretching it to about 14 inches. It'll be just about perfect. Set over onto our peel. We'll put about 3 ounces of sauce. About an ounce, maybe just a little more of mozzarella cheese. We're going to put a little bit of salami. A few pepperonis. And then we'll add just a little bit of sausage onto the top, finish her off. This will be a really nice meat lovers pizza. We're going to cook this at 600 degrees. Take right at 3 minutes. We will have pizza. We're right at 575 degrees on the stove. So we're ready to go. We're going to set our pizza in. We're cooking. Pizza coming right out of the PZ016. You can see how the toppings are nice and browned. Cheese is melted, and we can see on the bottom here the crust really browned up nice. That was it. 3-minute pizza at 600 degrees. We didn't turn it, just put it in the oven and let it cook. If you'd like more information about the PZ016, give us a call at 1-800-423 or look us up on the web at www.cookshack.com.